Hi, Claire from Central RC. Back here again to give the Go-Go bird another fly in this lovely sunny day.
Because it was a massive success last time, right Claire?
It did a little bit of a fly last time.
It did about 10 to 20 seconds.
Well, it's going to be much better today, much better.
You think so?
It's all charged up, raring to go.
No, you know technically what they call this? They call it an ornithopter.
Oh.
Which by definition means it's something that maintains flight by flapping its wings.
Ah.
Okay? Now this is a toy that won many prizes back in China, I think, for being quite innovative.
Yeah.
So its future in the European and UK market depends on how you fly it here today.
No pressure there then.
No pressure. Alright, so the idea is that you, as we showed last time, you've got it comes with everything that you need to fly it. You've got the controller, it comes with 2 batteries. The controller has a launch button which gets it flapping wings, and then a joystick on top, and then it's got some buttons to control direction and speed, and then the 4 buttons will, if you press them, fly in circuits like a figure of 8 or a round circuit or an oblong circuit, that type of thing. But let's just get the thing flying first, shall we?
Let's give it a go.
All right.
Right, so I'm going to press the launch button.
Well, not bad.
That was good.
Still, it was only about 10 seconds, if that. So how did you control it that time?
Yeah, it was okay actually. The joystick, and I definitely did a good turn on it. Not quite sure why it seemed to lose power. I'll give it another go.
Alright, no, this just run on 2.4 gigahertz, so it's not a range problem.
Okay.
But try and keep it, can I suggest you try and keep it going into the wind? So that way. It is a slight breeze, we just don't have days with no wind here, and it is a bit shielded.
Okay.
But wait for the wind to die down,
Yeah.
just a little bit. Right, so attempt number 3. You've got to use the forward on the joystick as well to give it more power.
Okay. Maybe that's not right.
Come on. Right, so attempt number 4. Can I suggest you launch it more towards me, because it's automatically going around that way, isn't it?
Yeah, let's wait for wind to die down a bit.
Wait for the wind. Come on, Go-Go bird.
You can do it. Right, ready?
No, it still wants to go that way. Come on, keep it going, keep it going. Ugh. Now, did you release the finger off the trigger, or did it stop flapping?
It stopped flapping.
It stopped flapping.
I think you need to give it a go.
Again.
Well, do you know? I think you're assuming it's me. It might not be.
No, I'm not assuming it's you. I'm not at all. Go on then, go and grab it, and I'll give it a go. Right. I always seem to be at the end of these videos. Last desperate attempt to get this flying. Alright, so you hold down the trigger, you think, and then...
You definitely hold down the trigger.
Right, here we go. No, no, no! Come back! Oh God! Come back! Oh my God! Come back! Come back! No!
Well, he doesn't often run like that, does he?
So, it's gone.
Oh.
I think it's flying back to China.
Oh dear.
So it's gone over the trees, over the lake, and then we'll have to go and try and find it.
Yeah.
But did you see how quickly it climbed away?
I did, yeah.
What were you doing wrong?
I don't know.
Come on then, let's go search for it.
Alright, okay.
Right, so it flew from over there, over here, Kaz,
Yeah.
and I think it might be. It's either in there or it's gone back to China. But should we carry on looking for a little further?
I think Hobes could find it if she tried hard.
We've got Hobie, our search dog, with us.
Go on, Hobie, pick up
Come
the
on, let's go, Hobie.
Come on. Nice dog.
Hold on. Oh, I think I spot it.
Where is it?
Just over there.
Wow.
So it's flown all that way.
That has come a distance and a half, hasn't it?
So the one thing I did different, I think, Claire, is I held the stick forward.
Oh, okay.
And it just climbed. It climbed up to like 50 feet in a flash and then it was gone.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe I wasn't doing that so well.
So no damage by the looks of it. Hold it up.
No.
No? Looks
No.
good.
Looks good. Looks fine.
So, again, that is the, what's it called? The go-go bird.
The go-go bird.
Even in a breeze, well, the trouble is, in this light breeze, it does carry it away. But it certainly got the power to get some height. It just went, didn't it?
It did. It did.
So, our recommendation, if you're going to use it, use it in a wide open space
Yeah.
and on a 0 to light wind day.
It's good fun.
It's good fun and certainly keeps you fit.
Yes.
Alright, so the link for this is in the video description and pinned comment, am I right?
It is.
And if you're interested in buying it and getting some exercise. Otherwise,
It's a good fun.
I'm out of breath, I need to lie down. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you next time then, yeah? We'll do something else next time. Something we can keep a bit more control over in a breeze.
Yeah, it's good.
Alright.
Go-go bird.